Hello everybody, and into this video I will show you how to fix your Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. So basically, try the first method is to click on the marketplace itself multiple times. This method may work, may not, but I have some other methods too. Click on this three lines here and you will go all the way down, like in this menu. Somewhere you will find marketplace saying like from the menu, when you click see more, somewhere between those the marketplace will be there, so you can click it there and go from there on. And if that doesn't help, click on the three dots here and then you go to help and support, and then you say report a problem. Click OK. Let me just do that one more time. Sorry, not OK. You click here, continue to report a problem. It's loading. Don't include. And then you have to say what's the problem about. Then you click on marketplace here, and then you describe that you have issue, your marketplace is not appearing, or you can send the screenshot here by uploading the from your phone, that they can see that the marketplace is not available to you. And the last solution is to go to the marketplace and type in Facebook and just update the app. So for example, and the last solution is to go to the marketplace, search for Facebook, Facebook here, and then when you see something like this, a blue button appear, you just click on update and just update the app. It may happen that in this update it will resolve that issue and you will be able to see your marketplace. So that are the steps you can take to solve that problem. I hope this guide was helpful, and see you in the next guide.